The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the two screws that secure the foam portion of the footwell roof. Pull the foam straight down to remove it. The cabin air filter is located here. Open the filter housing by unlatching the clip on the right. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1219C filter into the housing with the smaller side facing right, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the foam panel by aligning the holes. Start with the left side. When in the right position, be sure to tuck the edges. Reinstall the screws.